Using this line will make sure that we have the appropriate distance between our front view projection plane and the right side view projection plane. To create the right side view projection plane, we're going to use our rectangle tool again. So we're going to click on the rectangle tool and click on the end point of the line that we just created. When we put in the dimensions for this projection plane, we will use the depth of the object, which is 5, and the height of the object, which is 3.312. So we will use a relative coordinate again to enter these values. To create the relative coordinate, we will type in shift 2, which is at. We're going to put in the depth dimension first, which is 5, comma, and then we will put in the height dimension, which is 3.312, and press enter. The projection plane for the right side view should be the same height as the projection plane for the front view. In order to create the projection plane for the top view, we will again make sure that there is adequate space between the projection plane for the front view and the projection plane for the top view. To do that, we will again use a line that is going from the top left corner of the front view projection plane. So we'll click on that top left corner, drag it up, type in 3. So you should type in the same distance as you did for the line between the front view and the right side view. So make sure we drag the line up, type in 3, press enter, and then press your escape key on your keyboard to end the command. To create the projection plane for the top view, we again will use the rectangle tool, and we will select the end point of the line that we just created. This time we're going to use another technique to draw the rectangle. This time we're going to use the dimension option. So in the command line, you will select dimensions. In the command line, it will prompt you for the length of the rectangle. In this case, we will type in 7.25 because that's the length of the part. Press enter. And in this case, we will put in for the width, we will put in the value for the depth, which will be 5.00, and press enter. Then it will prompt you to specify the other corner of the rectangle. We're just going to drag our cursor up and to the right until the rectangle is positioned as it is on the screen. Once it is, we will click. So these 3 rectangles represent the front view, the right side view, and the top view of the multi-view drawing.